Negative SEO leads to SEO discrimination. Do you have a website with high bounce ratings? Then you are a victim of negative SEO. If you search on internet, you will find so many sites that will explain to you that high bounce rate comes from 1. Low audience with no interest to read your website. 2. Slow load times of your site. You can forget this. The main reason is negative SEO. What is negative SEO? Negative SEO refers to the practice of unethical techniques to sabotage a competitor's rankings in search engines. 1. You'll get useless bot fake traffic to your site. Be aware that it can also comes from your own advertiser company. Ad fraud or click fraud. 2. They steal your content and place it on his own higher ranking site. Your site will be invisible for other uses. Google search engine and other search engines have the responsibility to prevent this. 3. You'll get useless backlinks to your site. 4. You'll get bad reviews and bad forums from other sites. 5. You'll get low view times with dislikes on your YouTube videos. 6. You'll get low view times with dislikes on your social media's platforms. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and many more.